On a dashboard, after clicking on the work list icon, we should click on booking. So here we get this interface. So in the search bar, we have to type the patient's name. For example, Sharan. And if the patient is already listed in a database, his card will be shown here. For example, Sharan J. So if we already have a patient, we can click on create navigation and book a consultation for him. And if we do not have one, we can click on create new. So in the create new, we have to enter the patient name, like the first name, last name, for example demo patient, and the gender and age, let us consider as 21 and 0 months, and his contact number, and we can also enter his father's name, mother's name, and his email address. For example, let us give a test email address and his permanent address, like test address. And after entering the pin code, the state and the district will be automatically generated. For example, let us enter the pin code of Belgaum. Yeah, so we have Karnataka and Belgaum there. So after this, we have some optional fields. For example, if the patient is living in some hotel, he can enter that address as well. And if not, he can directly check it like same as the permanent. And he can submit his KYC details like his Aadhaar card, PAN card, and other KYC document details. Or else, and next we have medical insurance details. He can provide the company name, policy number, and all. Then we have caregiver support. So if the patient is elder person, so he might have someone taking care of him. So he can enter his name, his relationship, and his contact number. And also they can enter the like other details like the preferred language or the primary language, education level, household size, household income, and the employment status. And after entering all the details, we have to click on create record. So now the patient record has been created. So now we can enter the details like source or the referral of the patient, the symptoms, the allergies if any, and later we have to click on the search bar here, and to book a consultation we have to type consultation. So after typing consultation, we get normal consultation, follow-up consultation, or teleconsultation. So now let us click on a normal consultation. So yeah, after clicking that, we get a field populated here. So we can change the date of the consultation. We can change the time of the consultation. For example, 6th January. Let the time be around 9:30. And we can select the department. And based on the department, the doctors change. For example, in the general medicine department, we have Dr. Learn. In ophthalmology, we have Dr. Anmol. And now let us select a general medicine doctor named as Dr. Sharan. And if you want to give any discounts, we can specify it there. Based on the discounts given, the price changes. And also, if the patient wants any medicine, for example, crocin, so we can type crocin in here. And we can select a crocin tablet, and that field will be populated here. And later the total amount is shown there. For example, here the amount is 298 rupees. If the patient has any reports, those can be attached here, or else we can continue with the payment method. So here we have two methods like pay now or pay later. So if they click pay later, then it will be saved as a balance with the record. And let us click pay now. And in pay now we have three options here, like pay by cash, pay by card, or pay by a link. So in pay by link, a link is sent to a mobile number and we have to complete the payment there. And after we complete the payment, the status of the payment is shown as successful here. And also we have provided to split it up. For example, if the patient wants to pay 100 rupees by cash and rest by his card or his link, he can pay that. And the balance amount is shown here. So he has paid 100 rupees by cash, and if he wants to pay remaining amounts by card, then the balance 198 can be paid by card. So now let me pay full amount through cash. And yeah, so I have been billed successfully, and the desk operator has an option to print the bill as well there. So you can click on the print option to print the bill. Thank you.